Hi everyone! Today we are making this beautiful berry trifle. This crowd-pleasing dessert is perfect for summer parties. Layered with buttery pound cake, berries coated in jam, and rich creamy pudding, this is so easy to make with just a few ingredients, and it is very satisfying. Before we head into the kitchen, quickly hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can always stay updated on all of my latest videos. Today I will be using a store-bought pound cake, but I'm also linking my favorite pound cake recipe in the description box below. I'm also going to be using a pound of strawberries that I have cubed, and I also sliced a few for garnishing. We have a pint of blueberries. I'm going to be using half a brick of room temperature cream cheese. We will be using a cup or a cup and a half of raspberry jam. We're going to make some instant vanilla pudding according to the box instructions. And we're going to use some whipped topping like Cool Whip. And those are all our ingredients, so let's get started. We are going to first mix the berries with jam. I quickly heated up the jam for about 15 seconds in the microwave so that it becomes easier to mix up. These berries look so delicious and they smell great. This is ready now. We're going to set it aside and let's get started with the pudding. We are going to prepare the pudding according to the box instructions to make around 4.5 cups. After whisking this for 2 minutes, we will add our cream cheese, and remember this should be room temperature. Once the cream cheese has mixed into this, we are going to add our Cool Whip. And I had two 8-ounce containers and I used 1.5. Wow, this looks so rich and creamy. Now this is ready and we are going to start assembling our trifle. We will start with the first layer of pound cake. Next, we are going to layer up with the berries and jam mixture. You can decorate with some of the sliced berries if you'd like to. Now it's time to layer up with that luscious, creamy pudding. We will continue layering until we have used up all our ingredients. You can garnish with some extra berries, some whipped cream, shaved chocolate, whatever you'd like. And there you go. This fantastic summer berry trifle is all set. It is so quick and easy to put together, but so huge on flavor. It will definitely be a big hit at your next party. You can even make individual cups or bowls for single servings. This trifle is just fabulous. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you try this easy and delicious recipe. Stay tuned for more, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.